Hello, and welcome to Ms. Shaw's Phonological Awareness Learning Video for Tuesday, September 22nd. So for today's phonological awareness, we're going to be working with initial, which means beginning, sound P, and final sound P. So beginning and ending sound P, spelled P. Objective. What will I do today? Today we're going to be working with initial and final sound P. Today I will demonstrate phonological awareness by identifying words that have the initial and final sound P, spelled P, and writing them on page 94. Here are the teaks we are covering today. Here are some words with the final sound P. We're not looking at the beginning sound. We are looking at the final or ending sound. So the first picture is a picture of a map. Map. The ending sound is P. Map. Map. The second picture is a picture of a cap. Cap. The final sound is P, spelled P. And I thought I had the word for this, but this is a top. You might have seen it in last week's video for beginning sound T, but we are talking about this picture because it has the ending sound or final sound P, spelled T-A-P, T-O-P, top. Your job today is on page 94 in your student journal. Consonant P, you're going to read and write. So you're going to look at the picture and you're going to put the ending sound P or the beginning sound P. So we're going to work on these together. So this is showing a little boy with some drums and he is tapping them. So the picture shows tap. So they chose T, A, the short A, and P, consonant P. So you need to trace over the P, lowercase p, and then write the word again on these lines. To spell the word T-A-P, tap. He is tapping on the drums. The second picture shows a map. Here's the picture. So we have a map. Its starting sound is m, middle sound a, short a, ending sound p. So you're going to trace over the lowercase p and then write the word map on these lines. The final picture is a picture of a girl, and her name is Pam. Pam. So we have, instead of having a final sound of P, P, tap, and M, app, we have an initial or beginning sound P, P, Pam. That is this girl's name. So we have a capital P because when you have a beginning sound that is also someone's name, you're going to need a capital or uppercase letter P. So we have a uppercase P, Pam. Thank you for watching Phonics Video Tuesday.